I love being a woman. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kayla Monet. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. If you're not, you already know the drill. Welcome back. Today I will be showing you guys how I actually reinstalled this unit. You guys want to know a secret? It's glueless. Yes, it's glueless. And when I purchased this wig, guess how much it was? Under $200. Malaysian bodywave. I'm gonna show y'all how I easily installed this wig and got these nice Kim Kardashian waves. It just gives me like circa 2007 Kim, you know, like when she was first out up and coming with the honey blonde Kim era. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, I'm going back to that. I'm a middle part girly, but today I was feeling like a nice little side part, and I liked it. I cut some layers in and it's cute, it's flirty, it's fun, and I'm gonna show you how to get it. So without further ado, here's the video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay tuned for all my videos. I will have an upload every Sunday this year. Hold me to it. Love you guys. Catch you at the end, and let's get into this install because that's what you came for. I'm gonna show you how. Keep watching.
Poppin', but these is in my business got me out, you choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I'm just screaming by your side, I keep it quiet. Even though I'm ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, let nobody know. Even though I'm ski, I'm the lowest of the low. But if you can keep it, let nobody know.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
Look, and I just wanted to say 10 out of 10. This second install is actually better than my first. I don't know how I beat the first one, but it got better. I think it's just, I think I'm a side part girl now. I don't know. But yes, like you can see, the lace is undetectable. The lace is undetectable. And all I used was that even, and I just glued it down, you know, over like the glue and the frontals and everything. I just love to take off this wig when I go to sleep and slap it back on and just reinstall in the morning. Like, it could all be so simple. I don't know why we make wigs hard. It doesn't have to be hard at all. Let me just go into the specs of this wig. 24 inches Malaysian hair from this company called BGM Girl Hair. Proof is in the pudding. Like, I don't really have to talk much about it. You saw how the hair looks. You see how it looks now. And I'm telling you, I had this for over a month. This is my second install and I love it. I truly do have no complaints about it. Actually, the only complaint I do have is the clips. Like, you can't see it, but it's just a little bulky. Not bulky, but if you don't straighten it, like go section by section, it could be a little bulky. But maybe it's just me. And I have a very small head too. So if you have a bigger head, you don't, because mine is on like the smallest hook everything, because I just have a tiny head. But this is big girl, big head friendly. So if you have a big head, just adjust the straps and it'll work fine. I just need an extra little, you know, little something secure so my wig don't be sliding off. That's why I use the even. But you really, truthfully, like, you don't have to. I love Velcro rollers. It's my new thing. I found them from TikTok and I love them. It's beyond me. It looks great. I have nothing else to say about this hair. It's great. Go buy it. This is not sponsored. This is all my own opinion, unsponsored, and I only bring quality hair to my channel. I'm not going to review a wig that I don't like. I'm just not going to do that. It's not real, and I'm real. Click the link to buy. I love bodywave hair. I love being a woman. I'll see y'all on my next video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you all next time. Wishing you much love. Bye. Mwah.